So I haven't uploaded on YouTube in a minute, but we've been working on this. We've been working here and there, but we got a lot accomplished since the last time. Now we have the turbo kit. Everything is finally bolted up with the turbo kit. Only thing left to do is get the downpipe welded and then order the 5" to I think like 4 and get the silicone coupler to go with it, and then we'll be good on the cold side. And before we go race it, we need to clean up that. I need to get the cutoff wheel and just clean that up. I need to change this hose. I need to order some either -8 or -6 lines. Me personally, I would put -6 up here, but the feed line is -10. That's just what we had, so I'm gonna go ahead and change that to either a 6 or an 8. And we need to find a place to mount the radiator, because if you look, there is not too much space. Let me get right there. That's not too much space. So we have this radiator right here. Our plan was to do something along the lines of this right here and kind of like that to angle it, but I'm not 100% sure. I messed up because the way I built the turbo kit, I want to mount it up underneath the car, but I don't know exactly where and how we're gonna do that. But it's trial and error. First time we've put together a turbo kit, turbo car, turbo anything. But we have the Camaro sitting up off the ground. All the tires are off the ground. I'm waiting on the torque arm to get here. We just need to finish wiring it up. We just stripped and gutted everything that you could think of. Get the shifter on. I got this pedestal. I've had this pedestal for a minute. It's really, 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 really great. I got it off of eBay. I can't remember the name, but this pedestal is really, really good, man. But I mean, it's winter time, and I know that's when projects are supposed to be built for the most part. But man, for me, it's hard to get motivation in the winter time. Hopefully, we get it done because we got something big coming up. So we're gonna have to steal these off of the S10 right here and put them on the back of the Camaro, because there is a hard tire race coming up and we got to hit it. It's December 14th. Oh, and check this out too. Like, y'all don't see any fuel cell, right? I know we're gonna clean it up a little bit. I know it looks a little tacky, but we're gonna clean it up. Fuel cell, boom. Well, we need to get that finished so we can work on this. I want to put like a 355 or a 383 in it, and I just want to have a turbo small block Chevy. And I know 5.3 is more capable, but I just want to do that and see what we can do and how far we can go on stock crank and stock rods. And the only reason I say that is because I see Chris Watson, I want to say, he has a stick shift stock bottom end 302. But last time I seen it, I think it was running like 570s or 560s. I said, bruh, and it's not good for over 600 horsepower? Okay. Also, we're thinking about putting a battery right there, but as I'm looking at it, I don't know about that. I think that this downpipe is gonna be long enough. This year, we're just gonna run this right here for 2025. We're gonna have some fun with it. We have Lakewood 9010s up front. We did get a set of coilovers that was given to us. We can't put them on because it was with a whole K member set up, so we can't use them at this point.